Greetings and welcome to Dapur Shaila. Homemade biryani powder is very handy, especially when you want to make a quick biryani of as a flavoring for curries. Today I will share my way of preparing this biryani powder. Please join me in my kitchen. We will need to dry roast 5 dry chilies over a very low flame. If you prefer spicy, just add few extra chilies. Once done, remove and set them aside. Add 5 cinnamon sticks, 3 tablespoons of cardamom, 2 tablespoons of star anise, 3 tablespoons of cloves, 3 nutmegs, and 5 bay leaves. Roast till they are fragrant and set them aside. Next, we will roast 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of fennel seed, and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. It's better not to roast them all at the same time. Some of them would get burned easily like the dry chilies. Mix all the ingredients in a bowl and let it cool. Add a little at a time into a grinder and grind to a fine powder. If this is your first time in Dapur Shaila, please take a moment to subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get my latest recipes. Transfer the powder to a plate and add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder and mix them well. Place the mixture in an airtight container and store it in a cool and dry place. Biryani powder has a shelf life for about 3 months. My future videos, I will be sharing a few recipes using the biryani powder. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for my latest recipes. And don't forget to like, comment and share.